Slovenia applied initially in 2009 for membership of the organization, but there are a long tradition of collaboration between Slovenia and Cern, dating back already before the 90s, but already when Slovenia became independent, there was already a basis, and Slovenian scientists have been working with Cern for a long time. And we have a cooperation agreement that actually dates back to 1991, which really shows that very early on there was a very strong collaboration. And then that has been strengthened over the years, and in 2009 Slovenia applied for full membership, which is a long process, and there are a number of criteria that have to be fulfilled. Most importantly, there needs to be a strong community, both in theoretical and in experimental particle physics. There needs to be strong industry. There also needs to be an awareness at political level about what it means to be a member of an organization such as CERN. It's a very long-term commitment. It's not something where you can go in and out, because you have seen the types of infrastructures we build, that these are decisions that take a long time, and also the exploitation of the infrastructure takes a long time. So it's very important that there is this long-term commitment, and the member states that come on board need to have that understanding of what that means over time. And there needs to be a mutual interest between the organization and the country that applies. So these are processes that take some time. That's also why a country becomes an associate member in the pre-stage. So there's an opportunity to test this out and see if it's a good mutual relationship. And now we're coming to the end of that period for Slovenia. So now there's a process of scrutiny to make sure that Slovenia fulfills fully the requirements. And hopefully that will then lead to a vote in the council. Can't give any timelines for that. These are processes that take some time. But what is important is that there needs to be a unanimous vote in the council. This is the most important decision that the member states can take, which is to let in another member. There's a very small membership of the organization. So to have a new member is a very important decision, which is why they all must agree. So the bar is very high for membership. And we obviously hope that it'll be a positive process that is now ongoing, and that we will hopefully, in the fullness of time, be able also to have Slovenia as a full member of the organization.